To begin this lesson, I want my students to be comfortable in our flexible seating. My students were tasked with creating student-led video tutorials to help their peers understand the concepts that they may not understand during class. The students were allowed to choose any problem that they feel that their peers had a misconception on that would help them in their video tutorials. The students used cell phones as well as iPads in order to record their videos. Students were allowed to work in groups and they were assigned various roles from group leader, scribe, cameraman, as well as timekeeper. In order for the videos to be effective, our students had to write out and solve the problem step by step first before recording the video.
Things only got 1 minute. That's it. Oh, wait, no.
Some of our students added skits on their videos in order to convey their message.
Who said that? It's me, Brianna. I sit behind you in math class and I sit next to you in science.
The video tutorials are powerful because the students are learning from each other. They're creating the content that they will otherwise get on YouTube, Khan Academy, or things of that nature.
Rolling a number dice, what is the probability of you rolling?
They are also realizing that they can use their devices for educational purposes, but still keep their creativity.
4 times pi. Now, in terms of pi equals 3.
After recording the videos, now it's step 2. They're on to editing. Our students use WeVideo and iMovie in order to edit their videos. Students had to add effects, they had to create thumbnails, as well as they had to use voiceovers in their videos. Step 3. Our students use augmented reality in order to showcase their tutorial videos. The students found images that went along with their problem and attached their video to this image, creating that augmented reality. Now, if they want to review a problem, this is in addition to an anchor chart. The students would now be able to watch a video tutorial of their peers explaining how to do a problem. How powerful is that? After this project, our students now want to take it a step further. They want to create tutorial videos for every content area, and they want to put posters all around the school and use augmented reality to teach the entire campus.